Here's the app called Ghibli Anime Maker. So this is a specifically app to apply this Ghibli style to your images. It's which is going viral on TikTok. Ghibli Magic ChatGPT transform photos into Studio Ghibli inspired characters with a focus on detail and whimsy. So upload, take a photo, tap generate. What the magic happen is your face is reimagined in Ghibli style artwork. Ultra realistic anime style transformation, fast AI powered image processing, save or share with one tap. Beautiful and intuitive design. So yeah, there you have. Let's take a look. And then I just need to select a photo. Unfortunately, 3 days free trial when you have $6 payment or $50. Oh no, so one payment, it's like $50 one time charge, and that's it. But yeah, basically it's not possible that easily. So for example, if I have some sample photo and I want to generate it, so yeah, seems if you're trying to use it for free, maybe it's even possible, but then you just need to wait, as you can see like that. So eventually you just need to upgrade. So then, for example, no, but this is already in Ghibli. So basically, yeah, this is kind of like the app for one use case. There are other apps where you can use it for free and it works. You can use Dream by Wombo app. There are some other apps in this category. So a lot of AI images apps right now have this Ghibli filter. So Wombo Dream, you can use it. And then there is another app called Glitz, I guess. So Glitz app, you can just generate free Ghibli template. And yeah, so that's basically the idea.